For 238 years, maps across the world showed a South Pacific island. Sailors avoided it, satellites marked it, but in 2012, scientists sailed straight to its coordinates. What they found? Nothing. Not shallow water, not a reef, not even sand, just deep, open ocean. So what was this place? And how did a phantom island fool the world for over 2 centuries? The story begins in 1774 with Captain James Cook. While mapping the Coral Sea near Australia and New Caledonia, Cook recorded a dark patch in the ocean. His crew mistook it for land, possibly an island. Though not confirmed, it was logged into naval charts. Soon, other navigators, including whalers and merchant ships, repeated the sighting. By the late 1800s, the spot had a name: Sandy Island. Maps began labeling it. It appeared in Time's Atlas, National Geographic charts, and even Google Earth. Sandy Island was real. Over the years, a few things started to feel off. Ships that passed near Sandy Island reported nothing. No beach, no trees, no land to speak of. Some even joked the island had vanished. But no one officially removed it. It kept appearing in maps and maritime data sets, even in modern satellite overlays. In November 2012, Australian researchers aboard the vessel RV Southern Surveyor were studying tectonic activity in the Coral Sea. As part of their mission, they planned to pass over Sandy Island, but when they arrived, nothing. Their sonar showed deep ocean floor, not shallow reef or sandbank. No debris, no submerged landmass. The depth was over 1,400 meters. Far too deep for any island to have ever existed there.
When the team published their findings, global mapping services reacted quickly. Google removed Sandy Island from Google Earth. National Geographic issued corrections. Maritime databases quietly deleted it. The island was officially unreal. So how did Sandy Island exist on maps for so long? One theory blames a simple clerical error. Early navigators mistook clouds or pumice rafts as land. Another suggests Cook's journal was mistranscribed and the error propagated. But some theories are darker. A few believe Sandy Island was deliberately added, a so-called trap street or copyright island, used to detect map plagiarists. Others suggest military cover-ups, perhaps tests or disappearances that required a fake island as distraction. The most extreme? That Sandy Island once did exist and was erased, not just from charts, from the sea itself. Today, the tale of Sandy Island stands as an important reminder. Even in an age of satellites and sonar, the world's maps can lie. Not because of malice, but because we copy and believe what we think is true. For 238 years, a blank patch of ocean convinced the world an island was there. Until someone sailed out and checked.